Chapter 6. Self-confidence. Self-confidence is the confidence or trust one has in oneself. Confidence comes with the knowledge and awareness that one possesses certain qualities and abilities to perform various tasks. Self confidence comes from self esteem or self worth. A person with self confidence is an optimist and succeeds in overcoming all obstacles. Self confidence is necessary for success. It is necessary because it assures a person that he can do things. He believes nothing is impossible with the God given talents. Without self confidence, there appears to be no hope of success. Everything seems to present difficulties. If one does not have self esteem, who else will have esteem for him? Such a person will be a total failure. He will always accept the worst and will certainly get the worst. Failures will follow him everywhere. He will get disheartened and disappointed at every step. Self confidence makes a person feel good about himself. It helps him to have a positive outlook on things. He feels that he has abilities and qualities to be able to do things. Such a person does not underestimate his work. He is able to face all the problems to life with confidence and ease. In order to have self confidence, it is essential to have an idea of the qualities and powers that one has. A journey of self discovery is necessary. One must look into oneself very honestly. Once the discovery is made, self confidence will naturally follow. In this connection, it must be noticed that confidence in self is very necessary. However, overconfidence is disastrous. Overconfidence is the outcome of pride. Whatever abilities we have come from God, they are His gifts to us. They are not of our own making. Hence, we have no reason to be proud of the gifts we have received. The moment we become proud, we turn out to be overconfident. This is the first step to our downfall. It is said that follows rush where angels fear to tread. Hence, it is necessary to keep in mind that we should have responsible confidence in our abilities. A positive outlook, a feeling that nothing is impossible with God's help, will certainly bring success. The fears that are usually associated with one's poor background, uneducated parents, etc., need not affect one's self confidence. History is full of people who have made significant contributions to the process of mankind. These were people with self confidence. Not all of them had a royal background or a wonderful education. Many of them were people who suffered from one or more handicaps. Their confidence in themselves took them to the pinnacle of glory. They are an inspiration to millions of people all over the world. Kalidasa, Michael Faraday, Beethoven, Napoleon, Abraham Lincoln, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, K.R. Narayanan, and APJ Abdul Kalam are a few of them. We must have self confidence and tremendous faith in God. With these, we can look positively at